Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are starting topic 1.1 of the specification, digital devices. A quick reminder before we dive in, for this topic you don't need to know the technical detail behind how the devices work internally. You just need to understand what each device is and how it is actually used. That is exactly we are covering today. Here is what we are covering in this chapter. Mainframe and microprocessors, desktop and laptop computers, mobile phones and SIM connectivity, tablet devices, other digital devices like camera and game consoles, navigation aids, and finally two key terms, multifunctional and convergence. Let's take them one at a time. First up, mainframe computers and microprocessors. These sound similar, but they are used completely differently. A mainframe computer is larger and powerful, used for complex processing tasks. Think huge amount of data being processed at once. Like banks, airlines, and large organizations use mainframe to handle millions of transactions every single day. A microprocessor, on the other hand, is tiny and it is embedded inside everyday products to control one specific function. A washing machine, for example, has microprocessor running its wash cycles. It is not a full computer, it is just doing one job. So remember, mainframe computer equals complex processing at scale. Microprocessor equals a small chip embedded in a single purpose product. Next, personal computers. This covers two types, desktop computers and laptop computers. A desktop computer is fixed in one place with a separate monitor, keyboard, and case. It is generally more powerful for the price and easier to upgrade and repair. A laptop is portable. The screen, keyboard, and case all are built into one unit with a battery, so you can use it away from a power socket. And here is an important point for your exam. Some laptops are now powerful enough to fully replace our desktop computers. These are sometimes called desktop replacements. Now let's talk about mobile phones. And there are two types you need to know. Smartphones are full-featured phones that run apps, browse the internet, take photos, and multitask almost like a small computer in your pocket. Specialist phones are built for one specific purpose. For example, a rugged phone designed for tough environment, or a simple phone that just focuses on calls and text. And here is the key detail. Both types connect to mobile network by using a SIM card. The SIM identifies your phone to a network and links it to your number and account. That's what actually lets you make calls and use data. Next up, tablet devices. A tablet is a touchscreen device that is larger than a phone but more portable than a laptop. It is usually controlled entirely by touch, with an on-screen keyboard instead of physical one. Tablets are great for browsing media, reading, and light productivity. In terms of size, power, and use, they really sit right in between smartphones and laptops. There are a few more digital devices you need to know for the exam. Cameras and camcorders capture photos and videos, storing them digitally so you can edit and share them. Game consoles are dedicated devices built specifically for playing games, and most connect online too. Home entertainment system, think TVs, sound systems, and streaming boxes deliver media throughout the home. And media players are devices dedicated to playing music, video, or podcast on the go. Each of these has one main purpose, and that's exactly the kind of description the exam might ask you for. Next is navigation aids. These are devices that use satellite positioning or GPS to work out exactly where you are. They are used to plan routes and give turn-by-turn directions, whether you are driving, walking, cycling. You will find them as standalone devices built into cars or as apps on your smartphone. And because they use live location data, they can also show traffic and adjust your route in real time. Finally, two important terms, multifunctional and convergence. They come up a lot in exam questions, so let's be really clear on the difference. Multifunctional means one single device that can do many different jobs. For example, a mobile phone that can also include camera, has some game playing ability, and include GPS, all built into one device. Convergence means different devices gradually gaining similar features and becoming more alike over time. For example, smartphones and tablets have converged. Their screens, applications, functions have become more and more similar as the years have gone on. So, multifunctional is about one device doing many jobs. Convergence is about different devices becoming more like each other. That's topic 1.1 done. If it has helped, then please subscribe so you do not miss the next video. The next topic is 1.2. Thanks for watching and I will see you there.